What's going down, baby? It's your boy Moto coming to you on the glorious Friday afternoon. We got the kid Lars on the beautiful S1K. I'm falling in love with this bike again because he put all the fairings back on. And we got the big homie Easy on roadkill, looking glorious. We're actually on our way to the race spot right now, and it's probably the most beautiful day that it's been since we've been out here. Last couple of days it wasn't cold or anything, but it was a little bit cloudy. Today, still a little cloudy, but a lot more sun. So we're gonna go to this race spot, check out the scene, see what's going on. Get this Miami series going, baby. Let's get it popping. Pulling it up to the race spot. Don't look like too many people out here, which is good. All the heavy hitters are out here though. Everybody's out here. Oh, on the spot! On the spot! On the spot! What up, fools? What's poppin', yo? What's up, bro? What's up, bully? You bullying people as soon as they fresh off the bike? Ooh, this looks pretty out here, man.
Got that rollie, got that eyes on me. She mine, she bad, she a free. Oh my, I'm so wild, I can't see. Blame it on the sauce in my system. Got that rollie, got that eyes on me. She mine, she bad, she a free. Oh my, I'm so wild, I can't see. Blame it on the sauce in my system. This is how she likes it, can't fight it. Caught a wave and dived in. She dived in.
Lars inside boogie? Oh no. I think I was never doing a test run. Larry Versa! Alright, so we got leader Lars versus another S1K, K67. That was a good run. We need another one. That was a good run, E. That was a great run. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, we have open highway. Leader Lars versus that K67 again. Let's go, leader. Here they come. I'm about to do my first run of the day, going up against a Ducati V4. No idea what's done to it. Most likely it's tuned. Most likely. But I'm not exactly sure, but we will see how this goes. Racing is probably done for the day, at least at the racing spot. We're about to go to a hibachi place to get some food because the brother is hungry. I really haven't even eaten all day, but we're with the North Carolina boys. It's good to be with them since the whole incident with PJ. But yeah, we're about to get some food, and oh, look at these freaking Wranglers, the 6x6s. Wow. But we're gonna get some food, and then we're gonna see how it goes. The Apocalypse 6x6. Look at this. This looks nuts. Wow. So we pulled up to this taco place. Well, it's not just tacos, a variety of food with different trucks. Just enjoying this Miami cuisine. But damn, look at these bikes out here, bro. So dope to meet up with the North Carolina boys. Always show you some love.
extended bros for sure. But I'm probably gonna end this video here. Probably go into Miami Beach again later on tonight to see what we can get into. But I will see you guys in the next episode, people. All these pretty bikes. Ride safe. Peace out, guys. Pulled up to the race spot just to see what these guys are working with. Oh man, DJR's Gen 5 still looks freaking great, man. The chicks are out here. There's a lot of people out here too. A lot of bikes, a lot of dudes running. Quick fun. S1000. Not too sure what's done with it, but it's an S1000. Doesn't need any more explanation. Let's go, baby. Let's go, T'Challa. See how his setup is going? On two. That was a good run. Well, only so much I can do with these set up bikes, man. T'Challa's not set up! But just to think about the possibility of what T'Challa could be if I completely set it up. But I don't know, man. I'm just having fun with where it's at. You know what I mean? That was fun. That was a lot of freaking fun, man. A lot of fun. Jonathan is fast as hell. Well, that's probably gonna put a wrap on tonight. Got a lot of racing done today, man. Had a lot of fun. Tomorrow is a Dionysi meet, and that should be a lot of fun too. See what happens. Supposed to be a lot of bikes coming out, so
That's gonna be a lot of fun. You know, we'll capture all the views with that. So I'll see you guys in the next episode, people. We'll let this my AB series continue and rock out. I'll see you guys in the next one. We've been running for so long. It's only 3:16 a.m. It's crazy. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.